Unit 1 Rocks and Soils. Learning objectives for this lesson: understand the nature of the rocks and their types and uses. Next one, to identify the different types of rocks. To study about the nature of soils and its composition. Finally, to understand the importance soil conservation. Now I am going to tell a small introduction about rocks and soils. Have you ever noticed any mountain or rocks nearby your location or any hill station? Do you know how they originated the earth's surface? Now we are going to learn about rocks and soils from this lesson. The four realms of the earth you already learned from the lower classes. One is a lithosphere, second one is hydrosphere, third one is atmosphere, and fourth one is biosphere. Now we are going to learn about the lithosphere. Lithosphere means the uppermost significant layer of the earth. That means the spheres of the rocks. Then petrology. What's the meaning of petrology? It is a branch of geology. It deals about the study of rocks. It derived from Greek word petrus, meaning rocks. Logos means study. Petrology means study of rocks. Rocks are the solid mineral materials forming a part of Earth's surface. There are 2000 types of minerals found on the Earth's surface. Only 8 basic minerals commonly found on the Earth. Classification of rocks. There are 3 types of rocks. One is igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are classified into intrusive and extrusive igneous rocks. Sedimentary rocks are classified into organic rocks, inorganic rocks, chemical rocks, and mechanical rocks. Metamorphic rocks are classified into thermal rocks and dynamic rocks. Now we are going to learn about the igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are commonly known as a parent rock or primary rock. Why it is known as a primary rock or parent rocks? The igneous rocks are formed by the solidification of molten magma. The other all rocks are formed from these rocks only. So the igneous rocks are known as the primary rocks or parent rocks. Intrusive igneous rocks and extrusive igneous rocks are 2 types of igneous rocks. The word igneous means igneous derived from the Latin word ignis means fire. Then types of igneous rocks. One is extrusive igneous rocks. Lava is actually a fiery red molten magma comes out from the interior of the earth, and after reaching the earth, it's a make a solid form of rocks, get solidification form of rocks. It is known as extrusive igneous rocks. Example, basalt. These are found in the western part of peninsula. India is an example for these types of rocks. these rocks after cooled down for the rock material, so it is known as the crystalline rocks also. The two types of intrusive igneous rocks, one is the plutonic rocks, another one is hypophyseal rocks. Plutonic rocks or deep sheeted rocks are called plutonic rocks. And example for the plutonic rocks, granite and diorite. Then next one is hypophyseal rock. The hypophyseal rocks are the depth or called found in rocks inside the earth deeply, that is known as the hypophyseal rocks. Example, diorite. The next one is sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are two types. One is the sedimentary rocks are classified into organic sedimentary rock, inorganic sedimentary rock, chemical sedimentary rock, and mechanical sedimentary rocks. Then organic sedimentary rocks. How the sedimentary rocks are formed? The word sedimentary has been derived from Latin word sedimentum, its meaning of settling down. Why it is known as sedimentary rocks? Because it has so many layers of the soil, so it is known as sedimentary rocks. Why it is known as a sedimentary rock or layered rocks? Because various agents deposit due to high temperature and pressure the undisturbed sediments for a long period and cemented form of sedimentary rocks. It is otherwise known as stratified rocks also. Why the sedimentary rocks are known as stratified rocks? Because it consists of many strata and also known as many layers. So it is known as stratified rocks. Sedimentary rocks are known as stratified rocks. Why it is known as a stratified rock? Because it's have so many layers. So it is known as stratified rocks also. Character of the sedimentary rock. It have many layers. There are non-crystalline rocks. It contain fossil. They are soft and get eroded easily. Then the types of sedimentary rock. Organic rocks. The organic sedimentary rocks formed as a result of decomposition of dead plants and animals. How it formed the organic sedimentary rock? After the decomposition of dead plants and animals, it formed organic sedimentary rocks. Example, chalk, dolomite and limestone also example for the organic sedimentary rocks. Another one is mechanical sedimentary rocks. These rocks are formed due to the disintegration of igneous metamorphic rocks. If natural agents eroded and transported these rocks and deposited the normal rocks change into different kinds of rocks, that is known as the metamorphic rocks. One is the thermal metamorphic rocks, another one is dynamic metamorphic rocks. Thermal metamorphic rocks, the change rocks is mainly caused by high temperature. The process is called thermal metamorphism. Why it is known as a thermal metamorphism? Because due to the high temperature, the rocks changes into many changes. These processes are called thermal metamorphism. Then dynamic metamorphism, due to the high pressure, it changes into many kinds of rocks. These process is known as a dynamic metamorphism. The metamorphic rocks are classified into thermal metamorphism and dynamic metamorphism. Thermal metamorphism, due to the high temperature, it change into different kinds of rocks, that is known as the thermal metamorphism. And dynamic metamorphism, the process is due to the high pressure, change in the different kinds of rocks, that is known as the dynamic metamorphism. For the metamorphic rocks, one of the world wonders of Taj Mahal in India was built with the white marble, the metamorphic rocks. The next one is formation of metamorphic rocks from igneous rocks. How that other rocks are formed from igneous rocks? I am already told the igneous rocks is the parent rock or primary rocks. Why it is known as a parent rock or primary rocks? Because it is coming from the molten magma. It's a form in the form of igneous rocks. Then other rocks also form from these rocks only, so it is known as a parent rock or primary rocks. So the formation of metamorphic rocks from igneous rocks. Example, granite. Granite caused by a dynamic metamorphism. I am already told what's the meaning of dynamic metamorphism. Due to the high pressure, the igneous rocks change into dynamic metamorphism. Example, granite. Then its granite change into species. It is called dynamic metamorphism. Next one is basalt. The basalt, due to the high temperature caused by the thermal metamorphism, because it change into basalt change into slate. Why it is change into basalt into slate? Because due to the high temperature, the igneous rocks are changed into basalt and after change into slate. Then next one is formation of metamorphic rocks from sedimentary rocks. The sedimentary rocks also came formed from the igneous rocks only, because it is a parent rock. Then sandstone into quartz caused by the thermal metamorphism. What's the meaning of thermal metamorphism? Thermal metamorphism means due to the high temperature, it's a sandstone change into quartz. The next one is shear into slate caused by the thermal metamorphism. Characteristics of metamorphic rocks. Mostly it was known as crystalline rocks in nature. Why it is known as crystalline rocks? Because small pieces of rocks include inside the rock, so it is known as metamorphic rocks are known as crystalline rocks. They consist of light and dark minerals inside the metamorphic rocks. Next one is the rock cycle. The igneous rocks are known as the primary rocks. These rocks are weathered, eroded, transported and deposited during the long time it deposited, it changed into sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks change into metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are disintegrated and change into sedimentary rocks. These endless processes are called the rock cycle. materials. Students, see the page number 88. Rocks are useful for making some other materials. One is cement, then fire, building materials, box rubber, head to stone, ornament, roofing materials, decorative materials. These are valuable sources of minerals such as gold, diamond, etc. Soil is known as the skin of the earth. Due to the pressure and weathering like water, wind, temperature change, gravity, chemical change, the breakdown for the parent material rocks and it change into loose material. In future change into soil. The loose material is known as a soil. How it soil formed because of that weathering process of weathering change into loose material, that is known as a soil. Then it is also known as a fine particles. Soil is known as a fine particles. Soil composition. It's a soil composition. It's a classified for the divide into percentage also. One is a mineral particles 45%, air 25%. Water 25%, organic matter 5%. The 5% of the organic matter is give different percentage like organism 10%, roots 10%, hives 80%. These all include for the soil composition. Classification of soil. Basis of the formation, color, physical and chemical properties. It classified into 6 types of soils. The soil classified into 6 types. One is alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and desert soil. Alluvial soil. Students, see your book page number 90. The alluvial soil are found in the region of River Valley, floodplain and coastal area. It is suitable for the agriculture. It's suitable for cultivated sugarcane, jute, rice, wheat and other crops also. Black soil. Black soil is clayey in nature. It's useful for growing cotton. Next one is red soil. White soil is red in color because the presence of iron oxide inside of the soil makes the soil in this brown to red in color. It is useful for millet cultivation. Next one is laterite soil. These are known as typical soil or tropical soils. It's useful for making tea and coffee. Next one is mountain soil. These soils are found in the slopes of mountain. Next one is desert soil. It is a sandy soil found in the desert region. It is infertile soil. It is not suitable for the cultivation. Next one is soil erosion. The soil erosion is known as the removal of the top layer of the soil is known as the soil erosion. Then it is reduces fertility. Due to the soil erosion, the soils are reduced. For the fertility is not suitable for the cultivation. Students, see the page number 91. Soil conservation. Soil conservation means how to we preserve to protecting for the soil erosion to maintaining for fertility, that is known as soil conservation. How do we conserve the soil? Because methods they widely practiced in the soil are afforestation, controlling grazing, constructing of dams, crop rotation, tripping farming, then terrace farming, checking, shifting cultivation, wind break, etc. Make a soil conservation. Then take page number 92. Uses of soils. Soils is one of the important natural works. It acts as a natural filter of water and purifies. Then rocks and soils are important, renewable, natural resource. It play an important role in everyday life of human beings as well as economic development. Now see the recap, students. A rock is an aggregate of one or more minerals. The word sedimentary has been derived from Latin word sedimentum, means settling down. Igneous rocks are the primary rocks formed first on the earth. Soil is a mixture of organic matter, minerals, gases, liquids and organisms that together support of the life. We have completed the lesson and I gave the classification of rocks like igneous rocks and types of igneous rocks like extrusive, intrusive igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks and character of sedimentary rocks. Then metamorphic rocks, example for the Taj Mahal, and rock cycles, soil classification and types of soils. Now students, we complete the assignment from your lesson. Choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks, answer the following brief answer, distinguish between and complete the activity, class and submit in the office room. Thank you students.